Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Now in this video I'm just going to show you where the different identification labels are on a 2020 Suzuki Swift. So what we're going to do, we'll start over the right hand side of the vehicle, or the driver's side of the vehicle in this instance. Open up the door fully. We're just going to come down to the door jamb, and this is all of your tyre information. So just give that a read. Just down here, so we're just sort of at the bottom left of the door panel. This is your chassis number or VIN number. It's got what engine type you are, and it also says the colour code of the car and when the car was built. So the next one we go to is the engine bay. So pull this lever just here, come around to the front of the vehicle. Just above the Suzuki badge there's a lever, push that to the left, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once you've got the bonnet safe and secure, we're just going to look around, but actually the only identification is over on the left, just on the inside of the wing. We've got it stamped into the wing just there, stamped into the metal. That is your VIN number. So for the last identification label, we're just going to come over the passenger side, or the left hand side of the vehicle in this instance, open up the door fully, and we're just going to come down opposite side to what was on the driver's side, and we've just also got another VIN number there and some more information about the car. And there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel.